Christmas, merry, marvellous mouse, you are watching. Hello there! As Christmas Yoda just said, you are watching Marvellous Mouse. And in some of my other videos, I had said that I went to a Comic-Con recently. Yeah? So, I've bought 4 Funkos. And I've already done 2 videos on unboxing them. And this is my 3rd. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1. Here he is! He's a Beetlejuice wearing a hat that, as you can see, says guide. A nice little t-shirt, I like it. Anyway, let's get him out. Here he is, in all of his glory. Look at him. He's even got mould around his face. Gross. Pretty cool. Now I'm just going to show you all around. As you can see, he's wearing this long coat. Yeah. It's got a sort of spiky, longy hair. And as you can see, the hat, very shiny up here, says guide. And he's got mould over his face, so it creeps me out. Anyway, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Bye!